From goggles that enhance your night vision to a material that makes you invisible, truly, technology has come a long way. In this video, we will share to you 9 amazing military inventions that will turn our warfighters into super soldiers in the near future. Number 1. The Sikorsky Raider X. This helicopter will give you a glimpse of how the most technologically advanced air vehicles would look like in the near future. Sikorsky, the American company that conceptualized Raider X, designed it specifically for the reconnaissance aircraft program initiated by the US Army back in 2018. There are some interesting features that make the Raider X different among most helicopters. For one, it has 2 coaxial rotors, a pusher propeller at its rear, and the pilot seats are located one behind the other. This entire design narrows the hull, which in turn also improves the aerodynamics of the aircraft. Paired with the powerful GE T901 engine, the Raider X could reach a maximum speed of 463 km per hour. Maneuverable and sensitive to the pilot's commands, it hovers at low speeds and brakes and accelerates faster. Number 2. SIG MCX Vertus. The SIG MCX Vertus is a rifle specifically designed to meet the needs of security services. Because of its modular design, it can be individually configured for specific tasks. And according to its manufacturer, there are over 500 possible configurations for this rifle. Its stock has a folding and adjustable construction, so it can be used by any shooter. Its thick barrel and 2-stage trigger also significantly improve accuracy. The SIG MCX Vertus offers great reliability, modularity, and wear resistance with the developers, even guaranteeing 20,000 shots without having to replace any parts. It has been immersed in mud, water, sand, and even frozen during tests and trials, and yet the SIG MCX Vertus has continued to function flawlessly, proving that the rifle can withstand even the most severe conditions. Number 3. Drone Gun Tactical. Due to its design, you might initially think that this gun fires unusual projectiles like huge square-shaped bullets. But while it looks like a projectile weapon on steroids, the Drone Gun Tactical is actually a portable drone mitigation device that only takes a couple of seconds to set up. Its main advances is that it neutralizes drones in a careful and safe manner. It has a satellite navigation jamming capacity that creates a powerful signal that mutes the antenna installed on the drone from more than 2 kilometers out. When hit by the signal, the drone then activates its safety mode. The video feed on the operator's end will cease and the drone lands immediately, or it can be returned to its operator and helps track their location. Either way, it won't cause any damage to the drone. Number 4. Polaris Dagor. Although Polaris is a company known worldwide for its ATVs, they also manufacture high-quality military equipment. Polaris Dagor is an ultralight tactical vehicle that can carry up to 9 soldiers and their gear. This vehicle has been proven and certified for rapid air transport, may it be via sling load, airdrop, or internal air transport. Another important note to highlight is the weight-to-payload ratio of this vehicle. The total weight of the Polaris Dagor is just under 4 tons, while being able to tow loads of up to 3 tons, and the load on board can be up to 1,800 kilograms. Due to its maneuverability and its outstanding ability to move on difficult terrain, the Polaris Dagor is the best tactical vehicle for taking soldiers to rough spots quickly and efficiently. Number 5. Caliber Mark IV and T7L3 Harris. The Caliber Mark IV and T7L3 Harris are robots that can enter places that are just too dangerous for people. The Caliber Mark IV has been developed by Canadian specialists from iCore Technology, while the T7 robot has been created by engineers from the American company L3 Harris. They may not have been manufactured by a single company, but both robots perform similar tasks. They work with cars wherein the robotic platforms can lift cars, tow them away, break windows, puncture tires, or open the boot. Simply put, they can eliminate any threat. The Caliber Mark IV is able to remove an explosive object from one place and carry it to a safe distance. If this is not possible, the T7L3 Harris comes in. It can also transmit video to the operator and even perform simple manipulations. This mind-blowing feature grants experts the chance to defuse a bomb inside the car. These robots are compact and can maneuver over various types of rough terrain, including but not limited to snow, mud, and sand. Number 6. envg-b goggle. Special military units don't have normal working hours, and they even have to perform their duties at night, no matter the weather condition. The enhanced night vision goggle binocular is perfect for these situations, as it allows its users to see, observe, and act first during all limited visibility conditions. Equipped with the latest light amplification technology, these goggles help you see clearly under all lighting conditions. It also has a thermal channel, which detects people using the heat coming from them. These images can be superimposed on each other, providing an almost perfect visibility. Number 7. Triton 850. We've already featured a land and aerial vehicle today, so let's complete the list with this waterborne vehicle. Developed by the Canadian engineering company Straight Group, the Triton 850 is a ship that is ideal for patrolling. However, it is powerful enough to be used for a variety of missions. If necessary, a weapon system, a scaling ladder, a thermal imaging camera, a recording camera, and a wireless communication system can even be installed on board. The manufacturer offers various configurations, and in cases of anti-piracy or tactical work, up to 10 passengers can be on board. Its maximum speed is a whopping 100 km per hour and has 2 engines with a total output of 500 horsepower. Number 8. Quantum stealth. The power of invisibility has been a fanciful dream of many for years. While it might be too early to talk about absolute invisibility technology yet, the Canadian corporation Hyperstealth have already made major strides. This is quantum stealth, a lightweight, paper-thin material that works based on Snell's law. It's quite a complicated and overwhelming subject to dive into, but to explain it simply, the almost transparent material used in quantum stealth refracts the light in a special way wherein the person looking through it can only see objects that are very close or very far away. It is important to emphasize that the quantum stealth does not make you disappear completely. When viewed from the front, only the background is visible, and not the object behind the material. This is what gives you the illusion of invisibility. Such material would be perfect to create police shields, for example. Number 9. Multi-mission railgun. We've shown you a lot of amazing military inventions in this video, but this last one we will be sharing to you is a weapon of the future. The American company General Atomics have successfully assembled and tested a multi-purpose compact railgun a few years ago. It is already deemed to be used by the Navy in the near future. Engineers are working on several modifications to make it much better. For example, eliminating different targets regardless of the difficulty level. The standard version of the railgun fires kinetic metal projectiles and has a power of 10 megajoules, while the version for attacking marine and land targets uses hypersonic kinetic projectiles. The last version is one that will fire explosive projectiles with tungsten balls inside. This is more cost-effective than the traditional one when it comes to eliminating aerodynamic and ballistic targets in the air. Its range is longer and its acceleration rate is higher. The projectiles used are also smaller, which makes them easier to store. They are also less explosive than standard projectiles, which increases the ship's lifespan. Which of these military inventions blew your mind away the most? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching Techno Bear News. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell button to never miss a video from us. We'll see you next time.